What's up, you guys? It's your boy Big Dog, DSFB, Big Dog family, back again. And it's headliner day on the GMC Yukon 2004. So today is the day I'm trying to get done. As y'all, if you watched the previous video, I did the carpets. So I figured why put the seats back when I still got to do the headliner and the trim and all the siding. So I'm about to get started. If you can tell I'm sweating, I kind of been out here already for a little minute. It's Florida, so it is what it is. So this is what we got going so far. Headliner. Now these hanger for the GMCs, man, I tell you what, thank goodness for YouTube, because I almost tore this mother down. That thing, I ain't know that thing slid down like that. Boy, I had to look it up because I was about to go Hulk in this thing. Yeah, both sides. Got the vents out. And then got the little speaker, button, tweeter button, whatever it was, and the little button, headliner buttons as well. Got the lights out. And now it's time for the middle console on top and visors. Now, the visors, I thought it would be a regular Phillips screw, flathead, but it's an Allen wrench, some type of bolt. I'm not sure if you can see it, but just showing you there. So had to go on my little mystery box tools. I'm not really organized with the tools. I just know where stuff is in the location and I find it. You know, if you can relate, hit that like button. Now, so I'm about to get started on this. You know. Okay, the visor's out. The progress is real. I forgot about that. The handles right there, and then the back handles, which I just screwed off. So I just gotta pull it. Let me check it out here. So I just gotta pull it down, I believe. Ooh, just like that. Straight like that. Jonah Lucas. Oh, so look at me. I only got that side to go. Just bam, and bam, and bam. And it's coming down. Yeah. Visor off. Headliner console off. Everything off. Sidebar, handle, whatever. And I got everything unplugged. Everything unplugged. Didn't look like a workplace warehouse. Let's go. Now this is going to be done in 3, 2, 1. Nigga, please, this ain't how it works. Let's get it. Okay, so I got it down and came across some wiring on the top, of course, because of the lights. I figured that. But what I didn't expect, like I said, I'm not no mechanic, no, really car enthusiast or expert. Just learning as I go. And I have the rear view mirror that I have up front. As you can see, cord goes all around down here, splits in two, because I'm guessing that gives it the power, and then comes around. then has this long cord that was entwined in the back of the AC and clipped on back. I just wasn't expecting that, that's all. That's what I'm saying, you know. But I got to get to it for some wires tear. Let's get it. Tell me what this wire is that's coming from underneath the console through here and then on top of the headliner, and then spreading all around to the. Let me know what you think. Free at last, free at last. Thank God Almighty, this thing is free at last. I had to peel back wire after wire because it connected somewhere in the dash and it went down the side and under there. I don't know what is it going to. I'm AC, I don't know. But it was only two options. Rip the thing outside the dash like I'm gonna know what the hell to do to put it back in, or just peel it off the headline and re-glue it later. So your boy used his head. And so now I could finally pull out this headliner and start replacing it. Boy, you know, when you put in some hard work, boy, you see the progress, you already can see the end result. This thing gonna look good. So let's do it. All right, so we got the headliner out, and I'm about to show y'all right now. Here's the headliner, got it placed right here. And as you can see, this thing is brittle. And what I'm gonna do is just start peeling it all the way around. And then eventually I gotta get this adhesive glue off of it before I start spraying the new one. All right. It's coming off pretty good too. Can't complain so far. I don't want to jinx myself. The size might be a little problem. I gotta go ahead and put this. Gotta take out this trash. I'm doing it with one hand, you guys. I want to actually show something that I follow through, but put this on pause. All right, so like I said, finna finish peeling up, and then I'll check back with y'all when everything's done. All right, so look, now it's time for take the glue out. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. That's all the previous glue since 2004 and above, ain't never been replaced, and I'm about to get it off. So what I'm using is a power drill with this attachment. I was told this is, it's probably too rough, might tear it. Shout out to my homeboy Tracy. He told me, but I'm being light with it. I really ain't got no other option. I don't have no wire brush or nothing like that, so I'm gonna see how it goes. Hopefully I don't screw it up, because I know he probably say I told you so. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and do it and see how it works. All right. All right, so it get to the nitty gritty, as you can tell. But you know, I got all this to do, and I think it'll be just fine as long as I be gentle with it. I'm barely touching it, just to get the tips of the wire brush, so the wire attachment. So, anyways, you know what I'm about to say. Let's get it. Okay, look at that progress. I pretty much got over half of it done. Got that little spot. This side's pretty much done. And then I got the remaining front part. As for the tool, I can say it helps. But are you still gonna feel it holding up that, gently going across the dang headliner? Make sure you don't go through it. It gets heavy. And your arm gets tired, reaching over and stuff like that, so it's still tedious, basically what I'm saying. But does it make it faster? Hell yeah, because I couldn't imagine doing it by hand. I would just prefer to buy the new one. So anyways, this is pretty much halfway done. And so we're gonna pretty much finish this, and hopefully I can lay it down by the day, and then maybe even put it up. So who knows? Y'all stay tuned. All right, man, I finally got this thing all scratched out, done up. Now I'm about to show y'all the results. Let's do it. As you can see, got a whole bunch of tiger stripes, so gotta clean them up because I want that glue to smooth, to be stick it all the way through. So let's get started with round 2. There it goes, everybody. Progress. Looking clean from what it was till it is now. Very tedious work in the hot sun too. I'm over here baking like a rotisserie chicken. Ooh, almost done, baby. All right, guys, so now it's time for the reveal of the new headliner. I don't think I mentioned it in the video what headliner I'm putting in, or what color, or what type, whatever, but now it's time. I took it off the headliner, prepped it. Now it's time to show y'all the new headliner. That's right, it's in this package. And I think you saw color, but if you didn't, here it goes. That's right, blue, baby. And not just blue, suede blue. Yeah. Gonna have that be on the top. And for the headliner, that thing gonna look dope. With the black down the bottom, with the doors and the trim all black and the blue stand on top. Yeah, just can't wait. It's a hot mess in there, I know, but progress is coming. Let's do it. All right, so here we go. This is the color, blue suede, y'all. Told y'all. Whew. That thing look good. Man, if you know me, you know my favorite color is blue. Whole interior gonna be black and blue, pretty much. And this quality right here, boy, I love it. So just got this in because previous order, ordered it too short, so I had to get another one or whatnot, which is fine because now I got more material for the doors and other stuff, ideas I got planned for it. But hey, it is what it is. Got to get it done right. Got to make sure you got enough material for the size. So whatnot. Got to cuff the back, cuff all around pretty much. It's coming along, man, the process. Coming along. But anyways, we're going to start gluing. And I'm going to start half the back end first. And then get that glued in. Then work my way to the front. All right. So let's go. Let's get it. Let's do it. All right. So I got the heavy duty automotive headliner adhesive. Got this brand from Amazon. Has some good overall ratings and whatnot. So I'm gonna go ahead and start spraying this to the headliner, as well as the headliner and the headliner material, as well as the headliner. So let's do it. So got that sprayed. Now I'm gonna spray this as well. All right, so I got them both. I'm gonna go ahead and let it 5 minutes let the get tacked up. That's what it says on here, to wait about 5 minutes, and then go ahead and lay it down. All right, so I got the first half done. Start of the second half. One thing I realized when you're doing it by yourself, as you can see, the first set I sprayed the actual headliner and then the material. And working by yourself, I don't think it's wise, because as you moving it forward to press it down against the headliner, the glue start tacking up on itself. So when you by yourself, just pretty much do the headliner itself, and then you could work the material freely without worrying about it. As you move it forward, it crumbles up on the one side, and so almost had some hiccups or whatever, but I was be able to manage. So you live and you learn, and like I said, it's a process. So we getting it done. On to the next one, and then on to the final. Your boy's almost done. Can't wait till how it looks. Let's get it. Oh, buddy, got it laid down. You see all that? Everything's laid. Press down. It was a pain, but I got it done. Next step is pretty much folding it in the sides, cutting it to fold it. And once I fold in the sides, it'll be ready to put back in. With some work, but got it done. I love it. Love the blue. Love the texture. Everything on it. Yeah, can't wait till it's in the truck. It's going down. Let's get it. All right, so now that you saw the headliner from from the base to the bottom. This is the upside down where I did all the trimming and the folding for all the lights, headliner lights, the console and everything. This took a minute, man. This was pretty much as tedious as the scraping the old glue or whatnot. There's my handy dandy tool. I use that sucker a lot. And a lot of adhesive glue. Had to buy me another can. And I almost ran out. So this is it. About to flip it over. Show y'all the end result. All right. So here's the other side. Holes cut open for the lights. I got the little vents going right there. You can probably barely see them. Right there and right here. And on the other side, the lights and the middle console, man. It's looking very nice. For my first time, I can't really complain because I think I did a damn good job. So, watch out now. That process is coming, baby. As you can see, I got this thing inside the house now because it's hot outside and I wanted to finish up the trimming inside. My kids helped me, Jada and Jordan, and Layla helped me as well. Yep. So I just want y'all to say, hey man, you can do it. You put your mind to it. And whether it take you 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, whatever, as long as you keep it consistent, you get it done. Because I've been at this project for about 3 or 4 days. Or, I've been, planning ahead of time way longer than that, buying little by little. So, hey, you can do it. So, next step is just install, baby. And then we're going to call it a day. All right? Let's do it. Okay, everybody. As you can tell, it's been a little, well, if you can't tell, had to pause the project because just kept having to stop, grab things or whatnot, and you know, stuff happens. So I finally put it back up there, and as you will see, I also did the trimming, some of the trimming on the inside. I didn't film that because, filming and doing the work, I just wanted to get this stuff done. So still got a lot more painting doing with the trimming, but the point is the headline is done. All right, so without further ado, you check your boy out. There you go. What? Yeah, you see the trimming. It was that brown what you see in the dash. I spray painted black. All the trimming around here pretty much. It's basic. Got that vinyl and fabric spray. AutoZone, O'Reilly, you should find anywhere. You see the carpet that I installed with the other video, but there is the headliner. And when I'm talking about it's smooth, man, it looks freaking awesome. Great. That spot right there is for a little speaker I have to still install or whatever, but check it out, man. Long process, but we got it done. Long process, but was it worth it? Hell yeah. Got the console sprayed to that black. Came out awesome, man. Awesome. I don't know if the light and the glare gives it justice, but I couldn't be happier. Love the color, love the suede texture, everything about it. Anyways, that's it for the little so-called tutorial DIY project that I did. Your boy Big Dog. Hey, if I can do it, you can do it. Just put your mind to it, whatever it is you're trying to do, whether it's vehicles, life, anything. So, hey, just do your research. Pretty much everything's on YouTube these days, man. Sit down, buy stuff little by little like I did. This is not all one purchase. This is over months of buying material, stuff like that, spray paint, and then finally getting it done. So, hope you enjoy it. Hope you like it. Please like and give me a comment. Tell me how I did. And make sure you subscribe. All right? It's your boy Big Dog out.